All right, guys, the beautiful passion fruit flower. All right, so the theory is they only bloom for one day. And if they don't get fertilized that day, they will not produce your passion fruit. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you look down in there, that in the center there, that is actually the fruit. But this is how you pollinate. Pick one of these off. And you rub it right here. You can see the pollen on the back of that. Make sure you get a lot on there. Hopefully this will work. I think it works pretty well. So that's what you do. There's quite a few of them, as you can see, and they kind of twist around. I'll twist it around for you. And they're supposed to flap all around and get all the way up there, but I don't know how well that works. But let me show you a few that I did already. Here's one. And I did notice that on earlier ones, that if they don't get pollinated, they kind of die like this. But here's one I know I did pollinate, and look at the fruit. It's just starting to come out right there. So it works pretty well, hopefully. We'll see in a few, couple more weeks. And here's a few more. I got quite a few that I just pollinated yesterday down here. Plant is doing pretty darn well. So there you go, quick and easy pollination of passion fruit. A few tomatoes, looking pretty good. Got these beautiful purple ones, almost ready to pick. And the amazing pineapples, love them. Got quite a few going on here, growing on. All right, later. Enjoy. Hope it works for you.